Looking for a simple, cost-effective way to organize and carry your 12-ounce beer or soda cans? Ice and cold plastic can rings offer a universal fit that makes packing 6-packs a breeze. Whether you're a store owner or just someone who wants to keep your cans together without hassle, these rings deliver a reliable solution that sticks with you through cold storage and transport. What makes these plastic rings stand out? For starters, they're designed to fit all standard 12 ounces cans, from beer to soft drinks. The perforations between each ring let you snap apart packs easily, so you can create 4 packs or 6 packs as needed without any fuss. Plus, these rings hold cans tightly once cooled, preventing loose cans from rolling around or falling apart. That's a real advantage for stores managing inventory or anyone who values neat, secure packaging. I've seen firsthand how these rings make a difference. A clever tip from experienced users is to soften the rings by briefly boiling them in water. This makes slipping them over cans smoother and faster, especially handy when assembling large quantities. After cooling in the walk-in fridge, the rings shrink slightly to grip cans firmly, ensuring they stay put during handling or delivery. It's a simple trick that improves efficiency without extra cost. Ice and cold plastic can rings are proudly made in the USA, shipped fast, and always in stock. That means no waiting around or worrying about quality drops from middlemen or overseas suppliers. These rings come straight from the warehouse to your door, ready to help you pack cans quickly and professionally. If you run a liquor store, specialty shop, or convenience store, these rings are a smart addition to your supply lineup. If you want to organize your canned beverages with ease and keep them secure, ice and cold plastic can rings are worth a look. They offer a practical, low-cost way to improve packaging without changing your process. Try them when you're ready to simplify your packing routine and deliver a better experience to your customers.